Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with an increase of 5.63% since we first suggested purchasing Trump Media and Technology Group 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.88% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $25.61 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and might serve as the first sign of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 14.28% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 48.20% to a decline of 12.67%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 23.83%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 89.49% to an increase of 34.15% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.64 and $33.72. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price up 3.88% on Thursday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 3.88% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $24.20 to $25.14. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.83%, with a day low at $24.44 and a day high of $25.62. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 3.86% over that period. The volume of shares traded increased on the last day alongside the price, which serves as a positive technical indicator. In total, 967,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 3 million shares bought and sold for approximately $81.2 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 55.54% or $31.41, below the 52-week high and 68.33% or $54.24, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Donald Trump's media company, Trump Media and Technology Group, has recently generated attention with a series of notable developments that could significantly influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. On the 3rd of May, Trump posted an AI-generated image of himself as the Pope on his Truth social platform, just days after the death of Pope Francis. This provocative action could fuel both media buzz and public interest, potentially impacting the stock's volatility. On the 29th of April, the company published a letter to shareholders in anticipation of its annual meeting, reflecting efforts to maintain transparency and engage with investors. However, challenges loom on the regulatory front. Senator Elizabeth Warren has called for SEC records regarding investment products associated with Trump Media, highlighting potential scrutiny that could lead to increased regulatory risks for the company. In late April, the stock experienced a rally, spurred by increased bullish sentiment across the market, and a partnership with Crypto.com aimed at launching cryptocurrency-related exchange-traded funds. This diversification strategy signals a pivotal shift towards financial services, positioning the company for new revenue streams. The stock rallied over 25% in a 5-day stretch around these announcements, indicating strong investor interest. However, Trump Media's volatile history includes accusations of naked short selling, which may affect investor confidence. The recent surge in stock price could be tempered if regulatory challenges materialize. In summary, while Trump's media stock has shown momentum, navigating these political and regulatory landscapes will be crucial to its long-term viability and stock price stability. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group's stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $24.59 and $21.70. If the stock drops below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 4.7%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 53 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 57 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.18 between the high and low, or 4.83%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let us quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted yet another insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. Based on the most recent 55 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 20.526. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24, reflecting a decrease of 4.55%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which translates to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good purchase? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the present level, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by approximately 7 cents, starting trading at $25.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.